morning, my name is Ron and welcome to another day in my life. Today's Friday. I'm on my way to work. I thought I'd take the bike out today. I've got a friend of mine from the military coming up this weekend, and we're going to go on a ride, probably go over towards Skyline Drive, hit a couple of sections of Skyline Drive, and make our way back to my house. So it's going to be another probably a couple hundred miles. It'll be good. I don't have a big topic today. It kind of is, but it kind of isn't. So I watch, just like anybody else who watches my channels, you watch a lot of other motorcycle related YouTube channels. And one thing I've noticed, and this is not something I'm condemning, nor am I condoning it, but I see a lot of people riding back roads wherever they live. Pick a state. And I understand there are people who on motorcycles who enjoy going fast on twisties and things like that, and there's a lot of people in cars who don't ride fast, so they will pass them even on a double yellow, and I understand why they do it. Personally, I'm not that guy. I mean, they're out there enjoying the road just as much as we are. If they're going the speed limit, there's really no reason to pass, you know what I mean? But I understand why people pass, because they want to go faster than that car is going. It happens to me on this road, no matter what I'm riding. If I'm on a bike or even if I'm in a truck, the speed limit is 55. If I'm going 60, like I'm going 60 right now, someone is always going to pass you. So someone always wants to go faster. But I just think that when you got 2 or 3 motorcyclists on a ride together and you're on a back road that's kind of twisty and a car gets in front of you, or they come up on a car, you know, whatever you want to do, that's your prerogative. But all this passing on double yellows, I don't care what kind of motorcycle you're riding, you're giving motorcyclists a bad name. You know, nobody wants to be passed on a double yellow. And there, you know, I've been passing a double yellow, and you can only imagine the names that I call these people, and you know, they're doing the same thing, but they don't call these people out by name. They call them stupid motorcyclists. And guess what we all are now. So that's just something that I don't care, but just a word to anybody. If I'm ever out with you and we get behind somebody on a road that we'd like to go a little bit more of a spirited pace, unless they slow down and wave us by, or they come and they pull over and let us by, I'm not going to pass them on a double yellow if they're going at least the minimum speed limit, or the maximum speed limit, should I say. That's just how I am. I mean, everybody's different, don't get me wrong. I've been, now if they're you know, I'm not saying if it's a truck pulling if the speed limit is 45 miles an hour and it's somebody pulling a trailer going 30, I might go around them on something like that. But clearly there's a reason for that. They know they can't maintain the speed, so they're not going to care. But as far as a car going the speed limit, I'm not automatically going to zip around them on a double yellow. You know, I'm just not. It's even if you can see so far ahead and your bike can go 400 miles an hour, and you know you can zip around it before another car comes around the corner, that's on you. But you know, some engineer somewhere decided that this is a safe distance to put a passing area, and if it's not a passing area, then there's a reason it's not a safe area for passing. So, and it's the law, you know what I mean? And then I see a lot of people, and I'm guilty of this. We complain about cars rolling through stop signs. Come on now, how many of us on motorcycles always come to a complete stop? You know, you don't see me doing a lot of bad driver videos, even though I see my share, and I've got a dash cam too. You know, Viper 6 puts those videos up, but I in good conscience, I couldn't put video and talk about everybody that I see on the road, because I'm guilty of some of that stuff myself. You know, so I try to come to a complete stop most of the time, I will say that. Now if I'm riding in a group, I try to, you know, bunch up at the stop sign, so when the guy in the lead goes, everybody goes. But that's not a big deal, you know. We kind of ride as one vehicle when there's 2 or 3 Now there's like 9 or 10 bikes, that's a different story, but you know, 2 or 3 guys together, everybody understands why you guys went at the same time and didn't go alternatively. So, but yeah, that's just a pet peeve of mine. And like I said, I don't condone it, I don't condemn it. I mean, to each their own, but I'm just not that guy. So yeah, feel free to light me up in the comments or tell me I'm a dumbass or whatever the case you may feel about my comments on that subject, as well as how you feel about that. If you're on a back road and the car is going the speed limit, is going at least a posted speed limit, will you still pass them on a double yellow just because you might want to go a little faster? Yeah, that'd be interesting to find out what the general consensus is. At any rate, I don't want to keep this one very long. This one a quick short video since I'm on the bike. It's going to be a gorgeous day. The temperature right now is 60 degrees, believe that or not, but this weekend is going to be 90. It's going to be a hot ride tomorrow. Y'all be safe. Talk to you soon. Thanks guys for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, and the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, this here most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig sent me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment, let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out, maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. And that's what YouTube is all about in my book. So you guys be safe. Thanks again, really do appreciate you guys watching.